Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Darius. Darius is a powerful top laner known for his early game strength and dueling potential. During the laning phase, your primary goal is to establish dominance. Look for extended trades, as your passive bleed damage makes you very strong in prolonged fights. Always aim to hit enemies with the outer blade of your Q, Decimate, to maximize damage and gain significant healing. Darius's kit revolves around stacking his passive, Hemorrhage, which causes enemies to bleed and grants you bonus attack damage at 5 stacks. Your Q, Decimate, is crucial for damage and sustain. Hit enemies with its outer edge. Use Crippling Strike, your W, as an auto-attack reset for burst and a powerful slow. Apprehend, your E, pulls foes closer, and your ultimate, Noxian Guillotine, is a true damage execute that resets upon securing a kill. For runes, Conqueror is almost always your best choice, offering increased damage and healing during your prolonged engagements. Your summoner spells should typically be Flash and Ghost, providing essential mobility for both engaging and escaping. A common first item is Stridebreaker, which gives you a dash to stick to targets, along with health and attack damage. After that, build defensive items such as Sterac's Gauge or Deadman's Plate to enhance your survivability in fights. In teamfights, your main objective is to stack your passive on the nearest enemy, often their front line. Once you achieve 5 stacks, or an enemy is low, use your ultimate Noxian Guillotine for a powerful true damage execute and a potential reset. Be mindful of your positioning to avoid being kited by mobile or ranged champions. Use Flash and Ghost strategically to engage priority targets or disengage when necessary. If you have a significant lead, split pushing can also be a strong strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.